Beyond only helping people relax, meditation has been demonstrated to dramatically improve memory and cognitive function. Meditation can enhance brain clarity and memory retention by promoting increased focus, emotional control, and stress reduction. In this video, we will go through 7 key ways in which meditation positively impacts cognitive abilities and memory. Number 7. Enhances attention control. The transforming practice of meditation, especially mindfulness meditation, greatly improves attention control, the capacity to ignore distractions and concentrate on certain stimuli. This technique entails focusing on a single thing while impartially monitoring other thoughts and feelings, such as the breath, physical sensations, or a mantra. Practitioners gradually gain a keen awareness of their own thought patterns, identifying when their focus veers off course and gently bringing it back to the main idea. Measurable gains in focus and attention span are the outcome of this exercise. According to research, people who regularly meditate do better on continuous performance tasks and the Stroop test, which call for prolonged attention. For example, a study that was published in Cognitive, Affective, and Behavioral Neuroscience discovered that mindfulness meditation participants were less prone to distractions and showed improved selective attention. In addition to helping in professional and academic contexts, its improved capacity for attention enhances daily life by enabling people to participate more completely in discussions and activities. Since focused attention is essential for efficiently processing new information, the capacity for deep concentration promotes enhanced memory encoding and information retention. Number 6. Boosts working memory. A crucial cognitive ability, working memory allows people to temporarily store and process information while completing challenging tasks. It has been demonstrated that meditation improves working memory capacity via a number of cognitive processes. Practitioners of mindfulness meditation are encouraged to keep their attention on their breathing while accepting interruptions without passing judgment. By teaching the mind to let go of unimportant thoughts, this exercise lowers cognitive load and improves the brain's capacity to store numerous pieces of information at once. Studies that have been published in magazines such as Psychological Science have revealed that mindfulness meditation significantly improves working memory tests when compared to non-meditators. One study, for instance, found that participants who engaged in mindfulness exercises for just 2 weeks performed better on tasks that required them to remember letter or number sequences. Increased neuronal connection in the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex and other working memory-related brain regions is thought to be the cause of this improvement. Furthermore, meditation promotes mental clarity, which makes it easier for people to use their working memory when necessary. Meditation is a useful tool for anyone wishing to improve their cognitive abilities because it increases working memory, which can result in higher academic achievement and enhanced problem-solving skills in professional situations. Number 5. Increases cognitive flexibility. The capacity for mental adaptation and smooth transitions between various ideas or viewpoints is known as cognitive flexibility. Effective problem-solving and creativity in a variety of settings depend on this ability. Meditation encourages an open-minded attitude to ideas and experiences, which improves cognitive flexibility. Rigid thinking patterns that can impede flexibility are broken down during meditation sessions as practitioners learn to examine their thoughts without becoming attached or critical. Studies show that those who practice mindfulness are more cognitively flexible when it comes to tasks that call for creative thinking or the capacity to change tactics when confronted with novel situations. In tests intended to evaluate divergent thinking, the capacity to come up with several solutions for a particular problem, for instance, research has revealed that meditators do better than non-meditators, demonstrating increased creativity and original thinking abilities. In addition to improving decision-making on both a personal and professional level, this enhanced cognitive flexibility helps people become more resilient to change, which makes it easier for them to work with others and handle challenging social situations. Furthermore, as flexible thinkers are frequently better able to tackle unforeseen obstacles without becoming overwhelmed, this adaptability can result in improved stress management. Number 4. Promotes structural brain changes. Long-term meditation practice is linked to notable anatomical changes in the brain that eventually improve cognitive function. Increased gray matter density has been seen in areas crucial for learning, memory, and emotional regulation, particularly the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, according to neuroimaging studies employing cutting-edge methods like MRI. Consolidating information from short-term memory into long-lasting storage is a critical function of the hippocampus, which is also necessary for the development of new memories and spatial navigation. Higher-order cognitive processes, including impulse control, emotional management, and decision-making, are mediated by the prefrontal cortex. For example, a seminal study that was published in Psychiatry Research Neuroimaging discovered that long-term meditators performed better on memory tasks that involved recall and recognition because they had greater hippocampus sizes than non-meditators. The brain's ability to remodel itself by creating new neural connections is known as neuroplasticity, and it is thought that these structural alterations facilitate continuous cognitive development throughout life. Furthermore, better emotional regulation skills have been associated with higher gray matter density, which improves general cognitive functioning by enabling people to better handle stressors. Number 3, reduces stress and anxiety. Effectively lowering stress and anxiety levels is one of meditation's most significant advantages. Cortisol, a hormone that can harm cognitive function by impairing memory retrieval and attention span, is released when chronic stress occurs. By triggering the parasympathetic nervous system, meditation practices like mindfulness and deep breathing trigger the body's relaxation response, which reduces blood pressure and heart rate and fosters emotions of peace and well-being while mitigating the physiological impacts of stress. According to research, those who meditate report feeling less anxious and experiencing fewer symptoms of stress than people who not meditate. For instance, a meta-analysis that was published in JMA Internal Medicine discovered that mindfulness meditation programs were linked to participants in a number of trials experiencing a moderate reduction in their anxiety symptoms. Regular meditation practice, sometimes referred to as being present, produces a state of mental calm that enables people to approach tasks with more clarity and attention, improving cognitive function overall and improving memory retention. Additionally, since people are less inclined to respond defensively or impulsively under pressure, lower anxiety levels improve interpersonal connections. Number 2, improves emotional regulation. The methods by which people successfully control their emotional reactions are referred to as emotional regulation. This ability is essential for preserving mental clarity and making wise choices in the face of life's obstacles. By encouraging heightened awareness of one's emotional states through techniques like mindfulness or loving-kindness meditation, meditation improves emotional regulation. With time, these techniques help people develop a sense of detachment from their emotions by observing them without getting overwhelmed or acting impulsively. For example, during meditation sessions, practitioners learn to accept emotions like anger or sadness without passing judgment or reacting right away. This process helps people become more resilient against emotional distress by enabling them to react thoughtfully rather than impulsively to difficulties or unfavorable circumstances. Regular meditators are more emotionally resilient. According to research, they can cope with challenges without going into cognitive overload from negative emotions or anxiety spirals. Because people are less prone to be sidetracked by emotional upheaval, when making decisions or remembering information, this enhanced emotional regulation not only results in clearer thought processes, but also improves interpersonal connections. Number 1, protects against cognitive decline. Frequent meditation may protect against neurodegenerative disorders like dementia or Alzheimer's disease, as well as cognitive loss brought on by age. Studies indicate that by encouraging neuroplasticity, the brain's capacity to rearrange itself by creating new neural connections throughout life, the mental discipline developed via meditation may help sustain cognitive abilities over time. Because it may postpone the emergence of memory problems typically linked to aging processes or neurodegenerative disorders like dementia or Alzheimer's disease, this adaptability is especially advantageous as one ages. For instance, studies have revealed that older adults who regularly meditate preserve cognitive abilities better than those who do not. They frequently score higher on tests that assess verbal memory recall, attention span, and executive function abilities necessary for day-to-day activities like efficiently planning and organizing tasks. People may have better general cognitive health well into later life stages if they regularly practice techniques like mindfulness meditation that increase mental clarity and resilience against stressors. Including meditation in daily routines can improve mental health in many facets of life and have significant positive effects on memory retention and cognitive function. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.